If you want to speak English fluently, this video can help you a lot. Because in this video, I will give you 10 tips to help you become fluent in English speaking. 1. Set realistic goals. Set achievable goals, like holding 10-minute conversations. Break goals into smaller tasks for motivation. 2. Practice consistently. Daily practice, even 15 minutes, is better than occasional long sessions. Use language learning apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or speak with a language exchange partner. 3. Immerse yourself. Listen to English podcasts and audiobooks. This exposes you to various accents, vocabulary, and grammar. 4. Focus on pronunciation. Listen to native speakers, practice pronunciation, and record yourself. Improve intonation, stress, and rhythm. 5. Speak as much as possible. Engage in conversations with native speakers, language exchange partners, or tutors. Speak freely, even if you make mistakes. 6. Learn idioms and colloquialisms. Familiarize yourself with everyday expressions, idioms, and slang. This enhances your fluency and naturalness. 7. Read English materials. Read books, articles, blogs, and news in English. This improves vocabulary, comprehension, and grammar. 8. Join a language community. Participate in online forums, social media groups, or local language meetups. Interact with fellow learners and native speakers. 9. Use flashcards and vocabulary apps like Quizlet, Anki, or Link Unavailable help you memorize new words and phrases. 10. Be patient and persistent. Fluency takes time. Don't get discouraged by mistakes. Celebrate small victories and stay motivated. Remember, consistent practice and exposure are key to becoming fluent in English speaking. Stay motivated and enjoy the journey.